Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights on the top-performing appliances in the market. Today, we're taking a deep dive into what we confidently call the best chest freezer for deep storage capacity, the DEMULLER 5.0 cubic feet chest freezer. Let's kick things off with the standout feature of this appliance: its massive 5.0 cubic feet of deep storage space. Whether you're stocking up on meats, frozen vegetables, or prepared meals, this freezer provides a generous amount of room to meet the demands of families, small businesses, or even serious meal preppers. It's compact enough to fit in apartments or garages but powerful enough to handle bulk freezing needs without compromise. Now let's talk design. The DEMULLER chest freezer features a top open door configuration, which helps minimize cold air escape when opened, a simple yet effective feature that ensures energy efficiency. The top lid is counterbalanced, meaning it stays open at various angles, so you're not fighting with the lid while loading or unloading heavy items. It's small things like this that make a big difference in everyday usability. Inside, you'll find two removable stainless steel baskets. These aren't your typical wire baskets. They're solid, durable, and perfect for organizing smaller items like frozen snacks or ice packs. You can take them out completely for full access to the main compartment, making it easy to separate your food items however you like. Temperature control is another area where DEMULLER gets it right. The electronic control panel allows you to precisely set the temperature anywhere between 41 degrees Fahrenheit to -15 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're lightly chilling beverages or deep freezing meats, you have total control at your fingertips. This digital adjustment is a major upgrade compared to traditional mechanical dials and ensures that your contents are stored exactly as intended. When it comes to performance, this freezer is designed for quiet, efficient operation. Thanks to its modern compressor and energy-saving design, it runs with minimal noise, perfect for home environments where peace and quiet matter. It's also built to maintain consistent cooling even in fluctuating external temperatures, so it's reliable year-round, no matter where you place it. The DEMULLER freezer comes in a sleek black finish that not only looks professional but also hides fingerprints and smudges better than glossy alternatives. It's a great match for contemporary kitchens, garage setups, or even commercial environments like small cafes and convenience stores. Installation is plug and play. Just unbox, position it, plug it in, and you're ready to go. The unit is freestanding, which means you don't need to build it into cabinetry. It also has adjustable feet to stabilize it on uneven floors, another thoughtful touch for practical, real-world use. If you're someone who shops in bulk, hunts or fishes, runs a home-based food business, or simply wants peace of mind knowing you have long-term frozen storage, the DEMULLER chest freezer is a fantastic investment. With its spacious capacity, intuitive controls, solid construction, and sleek design, it's built to deliver value for years to come. To sum it all up, the DEMULLER 5.0 cubic feet chest freezer is a stellar combination of form, function, and efficiency. It's a freezer that does what it's supposed to do exceptionally well, and that's keeping your food perfectly frozen, organized, and easily accessible. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the best products on the market. See you in the next one.